back to Bike Culture Hub. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 EVA Cruiser that masterfully blends classic aesthetics with modern performance. At the heart of the Shadow 750 lies a 745cc liquid-cooled 52-degree VT twin engine. This powerhouse delivers smooth and reliable performance, making it ideal for both city commutes and weekend getaways. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 isn't just a motorcycle, it's an experience. A seamless blend of classic cruiser styling and modern engineering, this bike is built to offer a comfortable, reliable, and head-turning ride. Whether you're a seasoned cruiser enthusiast or someone looking for an entry-level machine with timeless appeal, the Shadow 750 delivers in every aspect. At the core of this machine lies its heart, a 745cc liquid-cooled 52-degree V2 engine. Honda has fine-tuned this engine to produce a smooth linear power band with just the right amount of torque to make city cruising effortless, while still delivering enough grunt for highway stretches. The engine's fuel-injected system ensures crisp throttle response, making acceleration predictable and controlled. And let's not forget the signature sound, a deep, throaty rumble that gives it a commanding presence on the road. One of the Shadow 750's strongest attributes is its comfort. The low seat height of just 25.6 inches allows riders of various heights to easily flat-foot at stops, making it an approachable ride for beginners. The ergonomics are well thought out, with forward-set foot pegs and a relaxed handlebar position that put the rider in a natural, laid-back stance. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on an open highway, the bike remains comfortable for extended periods. The styling of the 2025 model leans heavily into the bobber aesthetic, with a blacked-out frame, short fenders, and a solo saddle that enhances its minimalist yet aggressive appeal. It's a bike that looks good from every angle, whether parked at a cafe or in motion on the road. The teardrop-shaped fuel tank holds 3.7 gallons, giving it a decent range for longer rides while adding to its sleek, flowing lines. Honda has ensured that performance doesn't take a back seat to style. The 5-speed transmission shifts smoothly, delivering power efficiently to the rear wheel through a reliable shaft drive. Unlike chain-driven motorcycles, the shaft drive requires minimal maintenance, making it a practical choice for riders who want to spend more time on the road and less time on upkeep. Riding dynamics on the Shadow 750 are incredibly user-friendly. The well-balanced chassis and low center of gravity contribute to an easy-to-handle nature, even at low speeds. The suspension setup, featuring a 41mm telescopic fork in the front and dual shocks in the rear, provides a comfortable ride, absorbing road imperfections without feeling overly soft or sluggish. Whether tackling sharp turns or gliding over long stretches, the Shadow remains stable and composed. Braking is another area where Honda has paid close attention. The inclusion of a single 296mm front disc brake paired with a rear drum brake ensures solid stopping power. For added safety, the 2025 model comes standard with an anti-lock braking system, ABS, allowing for controlled braking in both wet and dry conditions. This feature enhances rider confidence, especially for those new to cruising. Technology on the Shadow 750 remains subtle yet effective. The bike retains its traditional analog speedometer, which complements its retro aesthetics, but it also includes an LCD display for essential readouts. Honda has kept things clean and functional, ensuring that riders get all the necessary information without unnecessary distractions. The engine of the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is the heart and soul of this mid-sized cruiser, delivering a perfect balance of power, efficiency, and reliability. At its core is a 745cc liquid-cooled, 52 mph V-twin engine designed to provide smooth and consistent power delivery across a wide RPM range. This configuration gives the Shadow 750 its signature low-end torque, making acceleration effortless and allowing for a relaxed yet responsive riding experience. Honda has fine-tuned the fuel injection system to optimize fuel delivery, ensuring crisp throttle response and efficient combustion. This results in a predictable power curve, meaning you get strong, usable torque right from the lower revs, reducing the need for constant downshifting, especially in city traffic or when cruising at moderate speeds. The electronic fuel injection (PGM-FI) also ensures that the engine remains efficient and responsive in varying weather conditions and altitudes. Cooling is managed through a liquid-cooled system, which is a major advantage over traditional air-cooled engines found in many cruisers. This setup ensures that the engine maintains optimal operating temperatures even during prolonged rides in hot weather or heavy traffic. The radiator is discreetly integrated into the bike's design, maintaining the classic cruiser look without compromising performance. A key highlight of the 2025 Shadow 750 is its versatility. It's a motorcycle that appeals to a wide range of riders, from those looking for a reliable daily commuter to those who want a stylish weekend cruiser. The combination of smooth power delivery, comfortable ergonomics, and Honda's legendary reliability makes it a fantastic option in the midsize cruiser segment. Customization potential is another strong point. The aftermarket support for the Shadow lineup is vast, allowing riders to personalize their bike with different handlebars, exhaust systems, saddlebags, and lighting upgrades. Whether you prefer the stock bobber aesthetic or want to transform it into a touring machine, the Shadow 750 provides a solid foundation. Fuel efficiency is an additional selling point. With its fuel-injected engine and well-tuned performance, the Shadow 750 achieves around 55 miles per gallon, making it an economical choice for those looking to keep their fuel costs in check. Combined with the shaft drive's low maintenance requirements, this bike offers long-term savings without compromising performance or enjoyment. Honda has priced the 2025 Shadow 750 competitively, with a starting MSRP of $8,699. This puts it in a sweet spot where it's accessible to new riders while offering enough value for experienced motorcyclists looking for a dependable cruiser. When compared to other bikes in its class, the Shadow stands out for its refined engineering, classic styling, and bulletproof reliability. For those considering their next motorcycle purchase, the Shadow 750 is a worthy contender. Its combination of user-friendly handling, timeless design, and smooth V-twin power make it a joy to ride in various conditions. It's the kind of bike that grows with you, offering an engaging ride for beginners while still being enjoyable for more seasoned riders. As the sun sets in the final scene, the Shadow 750 glides down a long stretch of road, the silhouette of its sleek frame outlined against the fading light. The deep rumble of the exhaust fades into the distance as the rider effortlessly disappears into the horizon. If you're looking for a motorcycle that blends classic cruiser aesthetics with modern performance and reliability, the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is an exceptional choice. Whether you're commuting, touring, or just enjoying the freedom of the open road, this bike promises to deliver an unforgettable riding experience. Stay tuned for more reviews and in-depth motorcycle insights here on Bike Culture Hub. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about the new Shadow 750. Ride safe, and we'll see you on the road.